What if it is 2033? They may have settled for 2033. This is how it would pan out. Nzadapena mashu kwa mreto kwa pangwa inoi na advocate Thabani Mpofu. Pangwa inoi articulata na kubudisa pachina kuti tugananda si plans inokwasa isirungori just a pair of kuti vaambende the constitution na kuextenda timu tukamiro nyika na 2 years. Bado kwasa itori a full term meaning 5 years. Nzadapena mashu kwa mreto kwa pangwa ino to put subscribe or like to the bell icon. Thabani Mpofu anabanyira GT. EDC hangers on insisted that any period shorter than 3 years does not count as a full term, and they have continuously made this their starting point in their public discourse. It may therefore be that they are racing to have kept 3 signed into law before EDC 2023 term reaches its 3 years. That way, they will argue that ED has not served a second term, at least by the time the new law comes into force. If Cap 3 is enacted, Parliament would promptly elect ED to a 7-year term that would run as his second term until 2033. Keep your eyes on 2033. If Cap 3 becomes law before September 2026, this is the danger we could all face. This must concern everyone. ZANU-PF supporters would have been sold a ruse should that course be adopted. Zimbabweans would have been deeply disrespected, Sakamuchaita says style, by every lawful means available. We must stop this unfolding madness. First prize, we stop the amendment. In the event we can't do that, we stop them from amending prior to September 2026. We can't eat this. Toba developments arukuda pagwa ino. Tiona advocate Thabani Mpofu ana expose amaplans zvigananda avari kuita ko isinatimem tukamiro nyika bila kunesection medu dzofunga eni vari kudiva musoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.